This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the display's refresh rate in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your display's refresh rate in Windows 10, you want to go to a blank area of your desktop. You want to right-click, and you want to go to where it says Display Settings. Click on Display Settings. And in the dialog box that opens up, you want to scroll all the way down toward the bottom to where you see it says Advanced Display Settings. Click on Advanced Display Settings. And then you want to scroll down towards the bottom of this page, and right here is refresh rate. Choose the refresh rate for your display. A higher rate provides smoother motion, but also uses more power. Right here is a drop down. You could click the drop down and you could set your display to a different refresh rate. If the drop down does not present anything different than what you see, that means that your display can only use that one refresh rate. That is how you change your refresh rate in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.